Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is 16 best plants for aircon room. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe. Air plant, snake plant, monstera plant, pothos, peace lily, jet plant, parlor palm, Boston fern, prickleaf pear, spider plant, aloe vera, Calathea jabernia plant, Rex begonia, Aglaonema red, croton, Queen Victoria agave. For more information, plants or flowers, you can check the description. Link is given below. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook pages and Pinterest. Thanks for watching the video.